Let us continue. In inverse functions, question number 10 we are doing. Now, today, this is the fourth sum now. 3 sums we have completed. So, y is equal to tan inverse of 2 raised to x plus 2 upon 1 minus 3 into 4 raised to x. Mark it important. I am going little slowly in inverse functions. I told you, this part is little difficult to prepare. So understand each and every problem carefully. Now, down. First term is 1. I got minus sign. So up I expect plus sign. Before I think of that, numerator. Now this is tan inverse. A raised to m plus n. How do I write? A raised to m into a raised to n. And down 1 minus 3 into 4 raised to x. That is what I have. Now 2 square will be 4. So up I have 4 into 2 raised to x. Now down 4 raised to x. Do you recall? I have told you 4 is the square of what? 2. So 4 raised to x is always 2 raised to x and the square of it. Remember 9 raised to x if you have. 9 is the square of what? 3. So it is 3 raised to x and the square of it. And why it is so? A raised to m raised to n. X into 2 or 2 into x. Both are same. Mn or nn. That is why these formulae work. If you got 16 raised to x, how will you write? 60 is the square of 4. So 4 raised to x and a square. 100 raised to x, 10 raised to x and a square. So keep that in mind. Okay. So numerator, if I have 2 raised to x, here I have 2 raised to x and a square of it. Let us write that. Then you will get the clue how you are going to adjust. 2 square, 4 into 2 raised to x. That is what you have got up. And down 1 minus 3 into 2 raised to x and a square of it. 4 raised to x. Now in the notebook you can write one more step. 2 raised to x square. Meaning 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x. So down you have 3 into 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x. Now is the adjustment becoming clearer to you? Down I have got minus. So up I must have plus. Now 4. This number is 3. What are factors of 3? 3 into 1. 3 and 1. And 4 I can write as 3 plus 1. So let us try that. So I will write numerator as. This is 4 times 2 raised to x. I write 3 into 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x. Actually it is 1 into 2 raised to x. So 3 plus 1 will make it 4. And down 1 minus. This is my x and this is my y. X into y. So write x 3 into 2 raised to x and write y. What was your y? 1 into 2 raised to x. So it is x plus y, 3 plus 1 gave me 4 upon 1 minus x into y. Now only thing I have to check is all this whether I have had or have I not getting that correct. Check 3 into 1, that is 3. 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x 2 times. Did we get that? So I got the formula x plus y upon 1 minus x into y, and therefore I can now write y as y is now equal to tan inverse of the first term, that is x, 3 into 2 raised to x, plus on the top, so I should put plus tan inverse of y, that is second term. So tan inverse of, now 1 into 2 raised to x, that will be 2 raised to x. Now we are ready to take derivative. So now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx. See what it will be. Tan inverse of x, derivative 1 upon 1 plus, and whatever you have, make a square of it. 3 square 9, 2 raised to x and a square of it. Chain rule. So into. Forget tan inverse. Go ahead. 3 is a constant. It will remain as it is. 2 raised to x, like a raised to x. So derivative a raised to x log a. So 2 raised to x log 2 plus second term. Again tan inverse of x. Derivative 1 upon 1 plus. Whatever in the bracket, make a square of it. So 2 raised to x and a square of it into. Forget tan inverse. Go to the bracket. 2 raised to x. Derivative 2 raised to x log 2. So what is the final answer? For the fourth sum, dy by dx, write it properly, final answer. here numerator 3 into 2 raised to x log 2 upon 1 plus 9 into, and I told you 2 raised to x and the square of it is 4 raised to x, plus here 1 into 2 raised to x log 2. So 2 raised to x log 2 upon 1 plus again 2 raised to x square is 4 raised to x. And now do you see in both the terms denominator? Okay, it is no. I mean we can't, don't go for LCM. At the most 2 raised to x log 2. This is a common factor. So 2 raised to x log 2 maybe you can keep common. And inside you get 3 upon this. And here 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x. That's all. Leave your answer there. Alright. So this was number 4 in that. Let us see number 5. Y is equal to tan inverse of, in the bracket, 2 raised to x and down 1 plus 2 raised to 2x plus 1. Again mark it important. Down you got plus. So up you will expect minus x minus y. First of all, a raised to n plus n. Let us split. So we will write y as tan inverse of 2 raised to x upon 1 plus a raised to n plus n. A raised to m into a raised to n. So 2 raised to 2x into 2 raised to 1. Now 2 raised to 1 will be 2. So write the next in your notebook. So this is actually 2 times 2 raised to x. Now coefficient is 2 here. What are factors of 2? 2 into 1. So and here coefficient is 1. So that one, can I write 2 minus 1? Try. So numerator. Again I repeat. Here the number is 2. Factors are 2 and 1. Use them here. 2 times 2 raised to x minus 1 times 2 raised to x. Observe. 2 minus 1 gives me coefficient as 1. And down 1 plus. This is x. This is y. Down I should have x into y. So write x. First term 2 into 2 raised to x into y. 1 into 2 raised to x. And check whether it was here with you. Observe. 2 into 1 will give you 2. And 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x. Common base to a raised to m into a raised to n. You have to add up the indices. X plus x makes it 2x. So got the formula x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. And so I can write y is equal to tan inverse of the first term x, 2 into 2 raised to x, minus, because it is minus, I have to put minus, tan inverse of second term 1 into 2 raised to x, that is 2 raised to x. Now I am ready to go for derivative. So now differentiating with respect to x. See what is the derivative? dy by dx will be tan inverse of x 1 upon 1 plus, and whatever in the bracket make a square of it. 2 square 4 and 2 raised to x square. Chain rule. Forget tan inverse. Go ahead. 2 is a constant. No change. And now a raised to x. So 2 raised to x log 2. Minus. Again tan inverse of x. 1 upon 1 plus. Make a square of it. 2 raised to x square. Again chain rule. Forget tan inverse. Go ahead. 2 raised to x. Derivative 2 raised to x log 2. So see how you write properly. Final answer dy by dx. What is it? Observe. 2 into 2 raised to x log 2 upon 1 plus 4 into, and I told you 2 raised to x and the square of it is 4 raised to x, minus 1 into, so 2 raised to x log 2 upon 1 plus again 2 raised to x and the square of it, which is 4 raised to x. Again like before, 2 raised to x log 2, you may keep it common. So 2 upon this minus 1 upon this. That becomes your final answer. So this was number 5. Number 6. Y is equal to cot inverse of a square minus 6x square divided by 5ax. Now first, I'll from cot inverse change to tan inverse and make reciprocal 5ax upon a square minus 6x square. Now in all these two formulae, remember I told you this term always should be 1. It is not 1. So let us make it 1. So each term I'll divide by a square. Divide each term by a square. So I'll get 1 here. So y becomes tan inverse of numerator 5ax I divide by a square, down a square upon a square I get 1, and last term 6x square I divide by a square. So everywhere I divide by a square. How does it help me? I get y as tan inverse of, observe here 1a is gone, 5 into x upon a, observe this is x upon a, down 1 minus 6 into x square upon a square, x square upon a square. I put it together. Now in your notebook, x square upon a square, how can you write? X upon a into x upon a. So write the next step in the notebook as 6 into x upon a into x upon a. Are you getting the clue now? Down I have got minus, up I must have plus. Number is 6. What are factors of 6? 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 will make it 5. Clear? So how do you write the numerator? Tan inverse of, factors are 3 and 2. 3 into x upon a plus 2 into x upon a upon 1 minus. Now this is your x, this is your y. Product should be here. So copy both. X, 3 into x upon a into y, 2 into x upon a. And confirm whether you have it. 3 into 2, you got 6. X upon a into x upon a. Did you get that? Yes. So I have x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So I can write y as tan inverse of the first term, 3 into x upon a, then plus, so I must put plus, again tan inverse, second term, 2 into x upon a. We are now ready for derivative. So differentiating with respect to x, how is the derivative? dy by dx. Observe, first term, tan inverse of x, 1 upon 1 plus, whatever in the bracket, make a square of it. 9 into x square upon a square, chain rule, forget tan inverse, go ahead. 3 is a constant, upon a is also a constant. 3 upon a, that is completely a constant. Derivative of x is 1. Plus, second term, tan inverse, again tan inverse of x. So 1 upon 1 plus, whatever in the bracket, make a square. 4 into x square upon a square, chain rule, forget tan inverse, go ahead. 2 upon a, completely a constant, and derivative for x is 1. Write properly. What is your final answer? Here addition a square LCM, which will eventually come up, and cross multiply. So a square upon a square plus 9x square into 3 upon a, that is one term, plus here again a square LCM, which will go up. So a square upon a square plus 4x square into 2 upon a. Now 1a is gone here and 1a is gone here. So final answer 3a upon a square plus 9x square, and here 2a upon a square plus 4x square. Understand? That is the final answer.